You know when you're setting up a taco bar or a mimosa station and the condiments start getting all warm and soggy too fast? Well, this Honeyera Chilled Condiment Server can totally fix that problem. It holds up to 80 ounces of ice in the base to keep everything fresh all day. And there's even a little side drain plug so you don't have to completely lift it up to dump out the melted water. It comes with 5 removable compartments. Each of them is roomy enough for pickles, lemons, or even a bottle of ketchup. Plus, the connected lid keeps everything clean and covered until you're ready to serve. I also really love that it comes with the rubber bar mat, which is super handy for catching any drips, and it keeps the tray from sliding around, which gives your setup a professional salad bar buffet station look. Really professional and polished. It even looks really cool with an LED light behind it, like a light-up ice bucket serving tray. Honeyera makes really durable party hosting essentials, and this one's even fridge and freezer safe. So you can go ahead and prep it and then store it away until you're ready. Perfect for barbecues, taco nights, brunch, or even cocktails. This thing makes hosting so much easier and more fun.